Yeah, hey bro, can you do me a favor? Can you just have a look at this and see whether this will work? I'm just trying to get my head around it. So this is the exposed truss at Josh's place, which sits out on the deck. Um, Now we changed this detail slightly, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Originally, we had the exposed truss and then the ridge sitting on top. However, we thought it might be quite good from the inside of the room. So the living room, the one that Andy and the boys are working on, the top of the ridge is set up roughly to the top of the rafters. Now we're trying to bring that ridge and those rafters out onto the deck. So what has to happen is this truss needs to move up. So the engineer did a detail, which is this detail here, which is you got the ridge beam, you got this plate, which looks like it's sort of rebaited into the ridge beam, and then you've got a plate coming down with two bolts in it. Now I've done a slight variation to that because you can see all these brackets that have to go on all the truss. So you can see this top bracket. I know it's the existing detail, but this top bracket, I've kind of made the top bracket over here and these bolts running through. I'll show you what I mean in 3D, but I just want you to check it out and make sure this is all good. So basically this gets made up in one. So that is the decorative bracket. Those are bolts running through. But this bracket is welded as one piece. So yeah, really the two top cords will have a slot out of them to allow that bracket to sort of come out of the center. And then the ridge beam, which is here, I'll just unhide it. Then the ridge beam basically gets slotted in the middle like that. You can see it's in the middle, and then there'll be another two bolts running through the side of the ridge beam. So that's held in to that bracket. The orange and the yellow is one bracket. It's just the top that I'm trying to figure out. The other brackets on the webs and things are fine. It's just that top section. Let me know what you think.